Take a drink every time I say very. J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MRCA028. Andy, what year is this bad boy? 94? 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood rear wheel drive Brougham. Very, very nice car. We've got the hood off, or sorry, we've got the grill off of the hood for some photos. This is an LT1 powered car. We are going to be selling it as a swap. Did you leave the transmission on this one?
Yes, sir.
So what you're going to get there is the motor, 4L60E transmission, ECU, belt-driven accessories, and the wiring harness. Everything you should need with a little bit of creativity to get a V8 swap going. Very, very clean car though. We're going to have a lot of parts for sale off of this unit. We've got some very clean OEM headlights. The front bumper is in very, very good condition here. All the trim molding you guys see on this car is going to be for sale individually. We've had a ton of requests for this stuff, so we decided that we were going to break this all down. This is nice chrome Fleetwood moldings. Not really any dings on these. A little bit of road dirt, but very, very clean. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up here. We can listen to it run while we walk around the rest of the car. Maybe. There we go. Battery box is on the fritz. 135,272 miles on this bad boy. Talk about the interior here in just a second. This is what totaled it out. Took a shot to the left rear. Yes, we know that can be fixed, but that's not what we do. We're here to keep these cars on the road in a different way. We're kind of like organ donors, or I don't know, we procure organ donors, but what we do is we buy the cleanest wrecked cars so we can keep the even nicer ones on the road, and this is a prime example of that. Rear end, this filler panel looks like it may have made it. I wouldn't bet that it's not cracked. We're gonna pull that off and check. Rear bumper's in great shape. The filler panels over here are good. Yeah, that's nice. This side has got a ton of good chrome trim on it as well. Very, very nice condition. Have those wheel skirts for sale. These cars are becoming highly collectible, so we go after every single one we can find. Here's that LT1 running right there. Very, very quiet. No motor noises, no exhaust noises. Probably grandpa owned. They all say that. As you guys can see there though, the car was in very great shape. It's been very well kept. Take a drink every time I say very. The hood's got a little bit of paint issues on it. The clear coat has blown off in a couple of places. We'll need a respray. And those headlights are in good condition. We won't say very. Nice seat set on this car. It's got a bench seat in here. Not really much wear at all. So we can get this door open and check out the rear. There we go. Rear seat is in great shape too. You guys have a car with some of that Florida sun faded leather, this is going to be the one you'll want. Door panel's in nice shape. Time to step inside here, test out the transmission, put a bow on this test video because it's done. All right, brake to shift. Let's get reverse going. Flat tire, but it moves. Driving gauges as well. Let's test out the power window regulators. Very common problem on the B bodies. The clips go out and the motors wear out. These ones are moving about as fast as they can. Passenger side does its thing too. Radio, let's get that. That's working great. Obviously we can't play too much, copyrighted. Climate control, all lights up. Yep, everything is working well. Go ahead and shut this thing down here. All right, that is going to wrap up the test video of MRCA028, our Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. If you guys are looking for any parts off this B body, I'll leave a link in the description below to our, sorry, I got distracted, to our eBay store or our website, www.jnjautoracking.com, or you guys can give us a call at 800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.